If you're keen to learn how to use Windows Copilot to generate images, you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Since its inception, Microsoft Copilot has been known for its AI-powered services like generating web search results and answers, writing a song or poem or creating a code, or generating AI images. You can also generate AI images powered by DALL-E 3 with Microsoft Copilot. So, here is an expert guide on how to use Windows Copilot to generate images. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Copilot on Windows. The first thing you must do is to install Copilot on your Windows 11 device and then enable Copilot in personalization settings following this guide. Now, press the Win+C shortcut key combination to launch Copilot and it will appear on the right side of the screen. Next, you need to write a detailed prompt in the Copilot chat box to make it generate images. You can also select the Create an Image option and then give the prompt. Make sure that you write a clear prompt describing the exact requirement and hit the Send button. Copilot then takes a while to process your request and then it will generate the image. If you are happy with the results, you can continue to edit it. If not satisfied, you can select from the Copilot question suggestions, if any, and it will regenerate images accordingly. Alternatively, you can customize the prompt as per your requirements. Now, click on the image you like and press the download button to download the images. Method 2. Use the Copilot website. But if your Windows 11 device does not meet the Copilot's system requirements, you can use its website instead. For this, visit the Microsoft Copilot website, select Create an Image, type your prompt in the chat box and press Send. Make sure it's detailed to get accurate results. For example, I wrote the following prompt. Give me an image where a policeman is chasing a thief to catch him. Next, Copilot took a while and generated the image. But if you feel that you need more changes to the images, you can select from the Copilot's suggestions or you can further give prompts. For example, I added, make it a cartoon, and Copilot generated more versions of the image in cartoon form. Method 3. Use the Copilot app. Moreover, you can also use the Copilot app on your Android or iPhone device to generate AI images. To do this, you should know how to use Copilot on Android or iPhone from this guide. First, download the Copilot app based on whether you have an Android device or an iOS device. Now sign into the app using your Microsoft account and get access to full features. Now, select Create an Image and write the prompt in the chat box as per the image you want and click on Send. Copilot will now generate the image and offer suggestions for any changes you want. You can select from the suggestions, if any, or customize the prompt as per your requirements. Now, select the picture and the next to the Share button or Download button to download the image. Convert your images into any of these styles with Copilot. Microsoft Copilot supports the following art styles for images. You can convert your pictures into any one of them. Anime inspired, vibrant and stylish with a cinematic feel. Oil painting, rich textures and bold strokes. Pixel art, retro 8-bit gaming style. Ghibli inspired, whimsical, warm and storybook-like image. Impressionist, soft, dreamy brush strokes like Monet. Cyberpunk, futuristic, neon-lit city vibes. Fantasy landscape, majestic, otherworldly scenery. Ink sketch, detailed black and white line work. Watercolor, gentle, flowing colors for a delicate touch. For further details, you can follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.